Huawei is back with another premium smartwatch, and this time it's the Watch GT7 Pro. Just ahead of its official launch, Huawei has revealed the watch in multiple teaser images, while hands-on photos have given us our best look yet at all 7 variants. At first glance, the Watch GT7 Pro may look familiar, but there are several meaningful refinements that could make it one of the strongest premium smartwatches of the year. So, is this simply a cosmetic update, or does Huawei have something more exciting planned? Let's find out. Starting with the design, Huawei has clearly decided not to reinvent the wheel. The GT7 Pro retains the premium round display, rugged metal construction, and signature octagonal bezel that made its predecessor stand out. The digital crown and secondary function button remain on the right side, giving the watch a classic appearance while making navigation quick and intuitive. Instead of chasing flashy redesigns, Huawei has focused on refining what already worked. The result is a smartwatch that looks mature, premium, and ready for both business meetings and outdoor adventures. One of the biggest highlights this year is the variety of models. Huawei will reportedly launch 7 different versions across the GT7 lineup. The standard Watch GT7 is expected to come in both 41mm and 46mm sizes, while the GT7 Pro appears to focus on a larger premium design. This gives buyers far more flexibility depending on wrist size and personal preference. Whether you prefer a compact, everyday smartwatch or a larger outdoor-focused wearable, Huawei seems to have a version for you. The new color options also deserve attention. Huawei is introducing fresh finishes that give the GT7 Pro a more modern personality. Alongside the traditional black version, leaked images show vibrant green and eye-catching yellow additions. These aren't just simple color changes. Huawei has redesigned the sports straps to complement each finish, making the watch look fresher while maintaining its premium identity. The standard GT7 models are also expected to offer elegant color choices, including white, gray, blue, and pink, giving users plenty of options to match their style. Hands-on images also reveal another important detail. The GT7 Pro appears noticeably thicker than the standard GT7. While some users may initially see this as a downside, it could actually be excellent news. The extra thickness likely means Huawei has made room for a larger battery, something the GT series has always been known for. Battery life has consistently been one of Huawei's biggest strengths, often lasting well over a week depending on usage. If the GT7 Pro builds on that reputation, it could easily outperform many Wear OS competitors that still struggle to make it through 2 full days. Although Huawei hasn't officially confirmed every hardware specification yet, expectations are naturally high. Previous GT models offered continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, sleep analysis, stress monitoring, hundreds of workout modes, GPS navigation, and excellent fitness analytics. Most industry watchers expect Huawei to refine these existing features rather than completely redesign the health platform. Improvements in sensor accuracy, workout tracking, and AI-powered wellness insights could easily become the headline features during the official announcement. The display also appears to continue Huawei's tradition of delivering beautiful AMOLED panels. The round screen looks vibrant with slim bezels, making watch faces appear crisp and colorful. Huawei has always produced some of the best smartwatch displays in the industry, offering excellent outdoor visibility and smooth animations. If brightness receives another upgrade, the GT7 Pro could become even more practical for runners, hikers, cyclists, and anyone spending long hours outdoors. Performance is another area where Huawei usually delivers a smooth experience. HarmonyOS has matured significantly over the past few years, providing fluid animations, responsive navigation, and efficient battery management. While it doesn't have the massive third-party app ecosystem available on some competing platforms, it compensates with speed, stability, and reliability. Most users primarily want notifications, health tracking, navigation, music controls, workouts, and long battery life, and Huawei has consistently excelled in these areas. The redesigned straps are another subtle but welcome improvement. Huawei appears to be focusing on comfort alongside aesthetics. Whether you're wearing the watch during an intense workout or throughout an entire workday, comfortable straps make a noticeable difference. The new designs also give the GT7 series a sportier personality without sacrificing elegance. Competition in the premium smartwatch market has never been stronger. Devices from Apple, Samsung, Garmin, and other manufacturers continue raising expectations every year. However, Huawei's strategy remains unique. Instead of trying to compete solely on app availability, the company focuses on premium build quality, outstanding battery life, comprehensive health tracking, and sophisticated design. For many users, these are the features that matter most in daily use. Based on everything we've seen so far, the Huawei Watch GT7 Pro looks more like a thoughtful refinement than a complete redesign. The familiar design, expanded range of variants, fresh color options, redesigned straps, and potentially larger battery all suggest Huawei is carefully improving an already successful formula rather than making unnecessary changes. That approach may disappoint those expecting a dramatic visual overhaul, but it could also result in a more polished and reliable smartwatch experience. Ultimately, the real test will come after Huawei officially unveils the complete specifications, pricing, and new software features. If Huawei combines its legendary battery life with improved sensors, better health insights, premium materials, and competitive pricing, the Watch GT7 Pro could become one of the most attractive premium smartwatches of 2026. From what we've seen in these early hands-on photos, Huawei appears to have another strong contender ready for launch, and it may once again remind the industry that premium smartwatches don't always need radical redesigns to stay ahead of the competition.